So I became familiar with the Ag Solutions product line back in 2012 when I was working for an implement dealership locally. Getting to be familiar with the product then and working with customers that utilized it then really opened my eyes to what the module could do. So I've seen a lot of guys, they were running smaller pieces of equipment such as this 8300 tractor here, and the modules would essentially increase the horsepower to make it another size bigger make and model. And a lot of guys were doing that to save the upfront cost of the machinery, and then saving some more on the backside by adding a module not with the increased horsepower but also the fuel savings. This would help you in return gain more acres per hour while saving 10 to 20% on fuel and upwards of 30% more horsepower in strenuous situations. Quality of the Ag Solutions modules is top notch. They're engineered, tested, manufactured right here in Indiana in the heart of the Midwest. The customer service and sales support has been great on these modules. With any questions that's been had during installation or during the performance or use of them, they've been right there to help us all along the way.